formula here. Then you can use x square e power minus x 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, minus minus plus minus 2 x e power minus x 0 to infinity, x e power minus x 0 to infinity. Here minus 2 e power minus x 0 to infinity, limit is 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. For e power minus infinity is 0, therefore you can adopt that idea, therefore it will be 0, x is equal to 0, 0 here, therefore it will be 0 minus 0. And here is also e power minus infinity 0, x is 0, therefore you can get minus 2 into 0 minus 0, minus 2 times the e power minus infinity 0, sorry, e power minus infinity 0, e power 0 is 1, e power 0 is 1 only here, therefore you can get this as equal to 1 here, equal to 1. Here you can use infinity by infinity or 0 by 0 form. With the help of that you can get 0. Both the limit will be 0. That relation you can get. Therefore you can get minus minus plus 2k equal to 1. Therefore k equal to 1 by 2. The value of k is equal to 1 by 2. Very simple problem that you can adopt here. This is Bernoulli's formula. Will be uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus etc. u double dash v3 minus etc. Dash denotes the successive differentiation, suffix denotes the successive integrations. Always take algebraic as a u, u v1 integration of this one, u is u only, but this part only the integration. The remaining things are very simple. Differentiation of first one, integration of second one, differentiation of first one, integration of second one. Plus or minus comes alternatively. Plus or minus comes alternatively. The help of that you can get the answer. K value is equal to 1 by. They are asking that find the value of k of the distribution. If it is like that. So converting in terms of df by dx form, then that is nothing but what here? PDF here. PDF. You see the second problem here. The CDF of a continuous random variable capital X is given by f of x is equal to so on. They are asking that find the PDF of x and hence find the mean and the variance of x. The CDF of the continuous random variable is given. Already it is given as a continuous random variable. They are asking that find the PDF as well as mean and variance of x. 1 minus 1 plus x e power minus x, that you have to remember here. Right. That this problem is also very simple. The same idea. Second problem solution. Given CDF of continuous random variable capital X is capital F of x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus x e power minus x, x greater than 0 I think. Yes, x greater than 0, 1 minus 1 plus x e power minus x, 1 minus 1 plus x e power minus x. They are asking PDF here, implies PDF small f of x that is equal to d by dx, differentiation of capital F of x. Differentiation of capital F of x. Now differentiate this part here. First one is 0 and then second part will be uv model here. Therefore 1 plus x e power minus x into minus 1 and then you keep e power minus x as it is here. E power minus x as it is here. Differentiate this part here 1. Differentiate this part 1. Therefore, you can get it as minus minus plus 1 plus e power minus x. 1 plus e power minus x. Here minus x e power minus x. X greater than 0. Therefore, here e power minus x and here minus e power minus x. That 2 will be get cancelled here. Therefore, your answer will be x e power minus x. X greater than 0. Therefore, your PDF f of x. Your PDF f of x is equal to x e power minus x, x greater than 0, x e power minus x, x greater than 0. From this PDF, they are asking mean and variance. Mean and variance implies mean. We are in need of mean. Mean is equal to expectation of expected value. Because x greater than 0, you can use 0 to infinity x f of x dx. X f of x dx. 0 to infinity. Already f of x is x e power minus x dx. X e power minus x dx. You see the previous one, x e power minus x dx, that is PDF. Therefore, now integrate this part here, integral 0 to infinity x square e power minus x dx. X square e power minus x dx. Again use Bernoulli's formula. You can use Bernoulli's formula. With the help of that, you can get the answer here. If you use Bernoulli's here, x square, you use it as it is. Integration this one minus 1 minus 2x e power minus x minus 1 square plus 2 e power minus x minus 1 whole power 3 plus minus 0. Minus 0. Use Bernoulli's formula. Use Bernoulli's formula, you can get this idea. Then x square e power minus x 0 to infinity. Minus minus plus here minus 2x e power minus x 0 to infinity. Minus here minus 2 e power minus x 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. This part is 0. When applying infinity e power minus infinity 0, 0 is 0. This is also 0 here. Therefore, only thing is that here only e power minus infinity 0, e power 0, 1. For your mean value of this problem is equal to 2. Mean is equal to 2. Similarly, they are asking variance. Variance. How can you identify variance here? Now, variance is equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x whole square. Already e of x whole square. E of x is, you know that here 2. Therefore, you have to identify e of x square only. Therefore, e of x square that can be written as limit is here 0 to infinity only you can take. Function is x square. Therefore, x square f of x dx. X square f of x dx. Function is x square. Here x e power minus x dx. X e power minus x dx. 0 to infinity x power 3 e power minus x dx. Can you give the answer for this one? E of x square.
6, sir.
6, e of x square equal to 6. Therefore, variance is equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x the whole square. Be 6 minus 2 square, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Therefore, variance of this problem, that is also 2. That is also, for in that manner you can get the answer. Therefore, here you use Bernoulli's formula. In this part, you can use Bernoulli's formula, you can get the value equal to 6. The same manner you can, simple problem only. You see the third problem here. On the average, how many times must a die be thrown until one gets a 6K? On the average, they are asking that on the average, how many times must a die be thrown until one gets a 6K? Because of on the average, they are asking here. Average means expected value, expected time, expected value. How many times must a die be thrown until one gets a 6K? What manner you can approach here? A die is thrown, you have to get a 6K. You have to get a 6. What manner you can move here? Suppose x denotes the getting 6 and a die is thrown here. X denotes the number of tasks or number of time required to get a 6 when a die is thrown here. Therefore, in the first throw itself, you can get a 6K. That is also possible. Otherwise, if first throw is not possible, in the second throw itself, you can get a 6K. If that is also not possible, you can move over third throw, you can get a 6. That is also possible. Therefore, you cannot predict at what time you can get a 6K. At what time you can get a 6. Therefore, you cannot predict. Therefore, here, if suppose x denotes the number of number of throws to get a 6 means x takes a value. What are the throws here? The first throw, second throw, third throw, etc. We can move in that manner here. You cannot predict x equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Correspondingly, for each and every value of x, you can find its probability value also. You can find its probability value. Or you can get a PDF. You can get a PDF. Now, after getting PDF, they are asking here on the average how many times. They are asking average value, expectation of x, e of x. They are asking here. E of x. They are asking. For after from that PDF, you have to identify e of x. For here, you take that x as a number of throw to get a number of throw required to get a 6. So in that manner, you can approach. For the solution of third problem here, let capital X be the number of throws required to get a 6 when a die is thrown. Then we have the PDF of x. Then we have the PDF of capital X will be what manner we can approach here. X is equal to x. Correspondingly, its probability value. Probability value. The first throw itself, you can get a 6k. Sorry. The first throw itself is correct only. The first throw itself, you can get a 6 here. Therefore, you can get 1 by 6. Sorry. Second throw, if you get a 6 means what about your idea here? This part you can get means second throw you can get the chance means what is the idea here? In the first throw you are getting a non-6 number, okay? The number or number other than 6k, okay? Then only you can get a second throw here. Okay? Therefore 5 by 6 into 1 by 6k. For third means in the first two throws you are getting 5 by 6k. Okay? Non-6 numbers here. The third throw only you can get a 6k. In that manner you can move here. Therefore you can move in that manner here. Okay? In that manner you can move. Here 5 by 6 power 4 or 5 by 6 power 3 into 1 by 6k. Okay? 1 by 6k. Therefore in that manner you can move. This is the PDF of x. Okay? This is the PDF of x. This is the PDF of x. From this PDF, you have to identify expected value. Expected value implies average value that you have to identify here. Expected value will be summation x into f of x. A value into PDF here. Value into PDF. 1 into 1 by 6, 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 6, 5 by 6 into 1 by 6. 3 into plus 3 into 5 by 6 square into 1 by 6. 5 by 6 square into 3 into 5 by 6 square into 1 by 6. 1 by 6 here. Similarly, 4 into 5 by 6 power 3 into 1 by 6. 1 by 6 plus etc. In that manner you can move it. Therefore, in each and every time you take 1 by 6 as a common element, 1 by 6. Therefore, it will be 2 into 5 by 6 plus 3 into 5 by 6 square and plus etc. It moves like that here. Therefore, it will be 1 by 6. It is like a 1 plus 2y, py square plus etc. where y is equal to 5 by 6. 5 by 6. 1 by 6, it will be 1 minus y whole power minus 2. 1 minus y, 5 by 6 whole power minus 2. 1 by 6, 6 minus 5, 1 by 36. Therefore, on the average, we require 6 tasks. On the average, we require 6 tasks to get a 6k. On the average, it is only average level only. We require 6 tasks get a number 6. It is only average idea only. At average level, we require 6 tasks to get a 6. All of you understand here? Simple idea only. Correct? Yes. See the another problem here. Is a result here, result in terms of theoretical way. You have to prove that mod E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. You have to prove that mod E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. Mod E of x less than or equal to E of mod x here. That is the thing you have to prove that. We have to prove that mod E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. What manner you can get that here? Always what manner you can get right that here? X less than or equal to mod x. X less than or equal to mod x. Therefore, you can say that E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. You write in terms of capital letter. Always x less than or equal to mod x here. Therefore, E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. This is one way. Similarly, minus also the same thing. Minus x is less than or equal to mod of x. Minus x is less than or equal to mod of x here. You operate expectation on both sides here. Therefore, E of minus E of mod x less than or equal to E of mod x. Minus E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. Multiply by minus here, then you can get it as E of x greater than or equal to minus E of mod x. Multiply by minus, you can get E of x greater than or equal to minus E of mod x. You see the first and second equation. First and second equation. Minus E of x, you combine these two here. Minus E of mod x less than or equal to E of x. E of x is less than or equal to E of mod x. By 1 and 2, by combining 1 and 2, minus E of mod x, minus E of mod x is less than or equal to E of x, that E of x is less than or equal to E of mod x. E of x is less than or equal to E of mod x. It is like a minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a in that manner here. Therefore, we can get it as mod E of x, mod E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. It is like a minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. What is the meaning of this one here? Mod x is less than or equal to a. Mod x is less than or equal to a. Therefore, this idea we can applying here, or applying this idea here. So in that manner, you can get mod E of x is less than or equal to E of mod x. Mod E of x less than or equal to E of mod x. You see the another problem here. A coin is tossed 5 times here. A coin is tossed 5 times here. If x denotes the number of time head appears, x denotes the number of time head appears, then they are asking that determine the PDF of x. Or to determine the PDF of x. Determine the PDF of x here. A coin is tossed 5 times here. Here in that condition, x denotes the number of times head appears here. X denotes the number of times head appears here. Can you give the answer for this one here? Problem number 5. A coin is tossed 5 times. A coin is tossed 5 times. X denotes the number of time head appears in that trial. Number of time head appears in that type of trial. Implies the PDF they are asking here, PDF of capital X. PDF of capital X. X is equal to x corresponding probability value of x. Probability value of x. Number of time head appears here. In all the 5 tosses, you may get a tail. You may get a tail. Therefore, no time head here. No time head here. Therefore, one time you may get a tail here. One time you may get a head here. Remaining 4 times tail here. Similarly, 2 times you can get a head here. Remaining times tail. Similarly, 3 times, 4 times. All the 5 times you can get a head here. All the 5 times you can get a head here. In that manner, you can proceed. For no time head means all the time tail here. All the time tail means it will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 5 times here. Therefore, you can get 1 by 32. 1 by 32. Similarly, one time head remaining 4 times tail here. Remaining 4 times tail here. Now, what about your answer? One time head remaining 4 times tail. What about your answer?
1 by 32, sir.
Again 1 by 32.
Everything it will be 1 by 32.
1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, therefore 1 by 32. That is wrong. Because one time head here. One time head means one time head.
Should we add, sir? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16, sir.
One time head remaining times tail. Remaining times tail here. Therefore, this is the one possibility. Therefore, this possibility may move like that here. First time tail, second time head. In that manner, you can move here. Therefore, we can move the possibility of appearing head, maybe first time head remaining 4 times tail, second time head remaining times tail, third time head remaining times head. Therefore, what about your answer? 5?
5 by 32.
5C1 by 32, correct? 1 by 32, sorry, 1 by 2, 1 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is one choice. This is one case. This is one case. Or this is second case. Second case. This is second case. Or third. Or fourth. Or fifth. Therefore, you can get a 5C1 by 32. What about this one? 2 times head, remaining 4 times tail. So remaining 3 times tail.
1 by
32.
5?
C2 by 32.
32. 5C2 by 32. Don't move by 1 by 32. Go on. Again, here is also 2 times head. 2 times head means H and H. First 2 times head, remaining 3 times tail. This combination you can move. This combination you can move for all the possibilities. All the possibility of 5 times here. Therefore, this head may occur here. Here we may get a tail. Therefore, we can move the possibility in many ways. You can move the possibility in many ways. Therefore, here 10 possibilities you can get here. 5C2. 5C2 ways you can get here. Here 5C3. Similarly, here 5C3. Here 5C4. And here 5C5 by 32. Therefore, we can get the answer as x is equal to x. Probability x is equal to x. Probability x equal to x. 0, 1 by 32, 1, 5 by 32. 2, 10 by 32, 3, it is also 10 by 32, 5C3 equal to 5C2, 4, 5 by 32, 5C4 equal to 5C1, 5 equal to 1 by 32, sorry, 5 is equal to 1 by 32. Pi is equal to 1 by 32, 1 by 32. Therefore, you can verify whether you are getting the correct PDF or not here, correct PDF or not by adding all the values. If you add all the values, if you get to 1 here, 1 for the discrete random variable, then you can say that your answer is correct. Answer is correct. It's 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 32, 32 by 32. So don't move by 1 by 32, 1 by 32. You have to give combinations here. This type of combinations you have to give here. With the help of that only you can get the correct answer. Otherwise it will be wrong. And then also you can check that whether if after adding all the values you are getting 1 or not. That's also one way. This is one problem. The solution we have just now we have seen. There is another problem that the mileage x represent mileage in thousands of miles. X represent mileage in thousands of miles, which a car owner gets with a certain kind of radial type. Which a car owner gets with a certain kind of radial type is a random variable having the PDF 1 by 24 minus x by 20. X, in that manner they have given here increases. Decreases. Life is decreases. Therefore, negative exponential they have here x greater than 0. Otherwise. They are asking there, find the probability that one of these tire will last at most 10,000 miles anywhere, something and so on in terms of thousands of miles. Okay, right? Already X denotes the mileage of a car owner gets with a certain kind of radial tire here. X represent in terms of thousands of miles here. Thousands of miles here. Therefore, in the question also they are asking at most 10,000 miles means up to. Okay, probability of x less than or equal to 10,000 miles means you can use the probability of x because already x in terms of 1,000 miles here. Therefore, you have to calculate just x less than or equal to what number? 10 only, because already in thousands of miles. Therefore, 10. Therefore, here you have to calculate probability between 16 to 24 here. 16 less than x less than 24. 16 less than x less than 24. Here at least 30,000 miles means at least means greater than or equal to. About 30,000 miles. Therefore, you can get x greater than 30. X greater than 30. In that manner you can proceed. Can you give the answer for this problem here? All of you try, and I will also try, and you can check about the answers. Solution for the fifth problem, sixth problem. Given PDF is 1 by 20 e power minus x by 20 for x greater than 0, 0 otherwise, 0 otherwise. X represent mileage of car in thousands of miles, in thousands of miles. Therefore, in the first subdivision, they are asking that at most 10,000 miles, at most 10,000 miles. Sorry. At most 10,000 miles. At most 10,000 miles means less than or equal to 10. For 0 to 10, well, lower limit is 0, therefore 0 to 10 f of x dx. 0 to 10 f of x dx here, 0 to 10, 1 by 20 e power minus x by 20 dx. To take 1 by 20 as a common element, integrate e power minus x by 20, 1 by 20, 0 to 10. 0 to 10. This 1 by 20 get cancelled with a minus sign. You put x is equal to 10 here. For e power minus 1 by 2, e power 0, 1. E power 0, 1. Therefore, you can get it as a 1 minus e power minus half. This is for x at most 10,000 miles. The exponential value, you know that here, use the calculator, with the help of that you can get the answer. Then, second one is that they are asking anywhere between 16,000 to 24,000. 16,000 to 24,000. Second subdivision, anywhere between 16,000 to 24,000 here. Therefore, you can use 16 probability of the same manner you can use here. 16 less than x less than 24, because x is in terms of thousands of miles here. Therefore, 16 to 24, 1 by 20 e power minus x by 20 dx. For already you know the procedure of evaluating the integration here. Therefore, it will be 16 to 24. 16 to 24. For substitute e power minus 24 by 20. Therefore, you can get it as 6 by 5. E power minus 6 by 5. Minus here 4 by 5, e power minus 4 by 5. For your answer will be e power minus 4 by 5, e power minus 4 by 5, e power minus 6 by 5, e power minus 6 by 5. Okay. The screen visible or not here?
Visible, sir.
Okay. Can you give the answer for third one here? At least 30,000 miles.
2 minus e power minus 3 by 2.
Third one is at least 30,000 miles, means greater than or equal to 30. For 30 to infinity, 1 by 20 e power minus x by 20 dx. Already you know the integration procedure for 30 to infinity. For e power minus infinity 0, e power 30 by 2, therefore 3 by 2, e power minus 3 by, for answer will be e power minus 3 by, e power minus 3 by 2, e power minus 1.5, that will be your answer. Okay. Similarly, you have the another problem that suppose that time in minutes that a person has to wait at a certain station for a train is found to be a random variable with a probability function. Here capital F of x is given here. Capital F of x is given. Therefore, it's a probability function, means then in terms of notation you can able to understand that it will be a cumulative CDF, cumulative distribution function. In the function, the question they are asking that is this distribution function continuous? Yes, definitely continuous because of it is defined at all the points of minus infinity to infinity. Okay? X less than 0, it is defined as 0. From x greater than or equal to 0 onwards, up to infinity, all the points it is defined here. Therefore, this function is continuous because of it is defined at all the points. Continuous they are asking here is defined at all the points here. Therefore, it is a continuous function. It is a continuous function. And moreover, they are asking that what is the probability that a person will have to wait more than 3 minutes? Will have to wait more than 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes, and between 1 minute and 3 minutes. The same manner can you identify here? If it is a continuous function, they are asking here you have to identify the PDF. PDF. What manner can identify PDF?
Differentiation, sir.
Differentiation. D by dx of f of x. D by dx of f of x. In that manner, you can proceed. Yes. Can you give the answer for this one here? F of x equal to so on. Here f of x is given as a 0 for x less than 0, 0 to 1 x by 2, 1 to 2 1 by 2, 2 to 4 x by 4, x greater than or equal to 4 1. X greater than or equal to 4 1 here. Or you can write the solution for the 7th problem. Given CDF capital F of x, given CDF capital F of x equal to 0 and 0 to 1 x by 2, 1 to 2 1 by 2, 2 to 4 x by 4, 0 to 4 x less than 0, x by 2 for 0 to 2, 1 by 4 for 2 to 4, x by 4, 1 by 2, x by 4.
0 to 1,
x by 4. Oh, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, x by 2, 0 to 1, and then this will be 1 to 2. One to 2, 1 by 2, 2 to 4 x by 4. Two to 4 x by 4, and then 1 x greater than or equal to 4. 1 x greater than or equal to 4. One x greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, they are asking that PDF small f of x equal to d by dx of capital F of x. D by dx of capital F of x. Same range you can use here. Here 0, 0 only. 1 by 2, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. And it will be 0 for 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Again differentiate here 1 by 4. It will be 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. And 0 x greater than or equal to 4. 0 x greater than or equal to 4. This is the differentiation process. And then this will be the PDF also. This is the PDF also. From this range, based on the question, you have to identify the corresponding relations. What is the probability that a person will have to wait more than 3 minutes? First one is more than 3 minutes here. Therefore, more than 3 minutes. More than 3 minutes means x greater than 3 in terms of minutes. For 3 to infinity f of x dx. 3 to infinity f of x dx here. How 3 to infinity is defined here? From 2 to 4, 1 by 4. For 3 to 4, you have to take it as a 3 to 4. 3 to 4, 1 by 4. 4 to infinity, 0. 4 to infinity, 0. For 3 to 4, sorry. Uh, 3 to 4, 1 by 4. 3 to 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 dx plus 4 to infinity 0. 4 to infinity 0. So it will be 1 by 4 of x here. It will be 3 and then 4. 4 minus 3, 1 here. Therefore 1 by 3. Second subdivision, they are asking that less than 3 minutes and between 1 minute and 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes between 1 minute and 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes means x less than 3. Therefore 0 to 3 f of x dx. Can you give the answer for this one? 0 to 3. The same one again. Third one is between 1 minute and 3 minutes. 1 minute and 3 minutes. One minute and 3 minutes. Can you give the answer here? For x less than 3. X less than 3 means 3 by 4. 3 by 4. X less than 3 means you have to consider all the thing 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. Your answer will be minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, plus 2 to 3. F of x dx. Your answer 3 by? What about
3 by
your
4,
answer?
sir.
3 by 4, sir.
3 by 4.
3 by
Very
4.
good. 3 by 4. Similarly, 1 to 3 also the same idea again. 1 to 3 means 1 to 2 plus 2 to 3. 1 to
1 by
2.
4.
1 by
1 by 2, sir.
1 by
1 by 4.
4. 1 by 4. Yes. This will be the answer. 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 3 by 4, and 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 3 by 4, and 1 by 4. See that here. Similarly, the next problem. The density function of a continuous random variable capital X is given by f of x equal to in terms of some unknown a here. In terms of some unknown a, with similarly some range is also there. They are asking find the value of a. Here density function is given here. Therefore, this is small f of x here. Therefore, it is PDF. Therefore, to identify the value of a, you have to integrate minus infinity f of x dx here. With the help of that, you can get the value of a. Correspondingly, what is the value of, what is the meaning of this one here? Probability of mod x less than or equal to 1 means what range you have to integrate here? You have to identify probability of minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1.
Yes, sir.
Then mod x greater than 1 means, what about your idea?
Minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity.
1 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1, it will be 0 only. This is elsewhere here. And then 1 to infinity, you have to use all the 3. And then probability of 2x plus 4 greater than 8 means, you can write it because you have to get the limit for x only. Therefore, 2x can be written as 8 minus 4, 2x greater than 4. 2x greater than 4. Therefore, it means that x greater than 2. Your limit is x greater than 2. X greater than 2 means you have to get the 2 to 3 idea again. Then CDF of x. CDF of x means already we discussed one problem with the help of CDF here. CDF means up to x. Probability x less than or equal to x here. Or up to that level, you have to integrate. Integrate all the values here. First of all, can you give the answer for A here? A. What is the value of A? All of you try and give your answer. What is the value of A? To identify the value of A, you have to proceed in that manner. Given PDF f of x equal to so on. Ax, A, 3a minus x, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Ax, A, 3a minus x. ax, a, 3a minus ax, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. 1 to 2, elsewhere. So to get a, to find a, we know that by property minus infinity infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. 0 to 1, 1 to 2 a dx plus 2 to 3 3a minus ax dx plus 0 equal to 1. What is the value of e? Any idea about the value of a? Screen visible or not?
One by two, sir.
1 by 2, yes, very
Yes,
good.
sir. 1 by 2.
1 by 2. The value of a equal to 1 by 2. Yes, very good. Then substitute the value of a here. You can get the exact PDF here. Therefore, your answer will be 1 by 2, x by 2. Here, your answer will be x by 2. For PDF will be x by 2. Here 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2. Here 3 by 2 minus x by 2. 3 minus x by 2. Or you can write the PDF like that here. 3 by 2 minus x by 2. It will be 3 minus x by 2. And then 0. And then 0. Then they are asking that some conditions. Based on that condition, you can proceed. Mod x less than or equal to 1, mod x greater than 1. Mod x less than or equal to 1, mod x greater than 1. Mod x less than or equal to 1, it will be minus 1 to n f of minus 1 to 1 f of x dx here. Minus 1 to 1 means 0 to 1 only. That is the only thing, x by 2. Minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1 f of x dx. Minus 1 to 0, 0, 0 to 1 x by 2. X square by 2, x square 4. So your answer will be 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
1 by 4. Similarly, they are asking that mod x greater than 1. Mod x greater than 1 means probability of minus infinity less than x less than minus 1 and also 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. And then this part will be 0. This part will be 0. Probability of minus infinity less than x less than minus 1 and 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. This part will be 0, therefore it will be an minus 1 to 1. That part is not possible here, therefore you can get 0 here. Mod x greater than 1. And the third one is probability of 2x plus 4 greater than 8 here. 2x plus 4 greater than 8 here. 2x plus 4 greater than 8. It will be x greater than 2x greater than 4, then x greater than 2. For 2 to infinity f of x dx. 2 to infinity f of x dx. For 2 to 3 plus 3 to infinity based on the given idea. 2 to 3 and 3 to infinity. For 2 to 3 and 3 to infinity here. 2 to 3, 3 minus x by 2. 3 minus x by 2. And then this part will be 0. You can get the answer for this one. 3 minus x by 2. Can you give the answer for this one here?
1 by 4.
1
1
by
by 4.
4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. And then fourth one, they are asking that CDF of x. CDF for each range you have to identify. For each range you have to identify. First 0 to 1 they are asking here. 0 to 1. For 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, your CDF capital F of x will be probability of x less than or equal to x. X less than or equal to x. What manner you can move here? 0 to x only. 0 to x f of x dx. 0 to x f of x dx. 0 to 1 they are asking here. Therefore 0 to x you have to proceed here. Therefore ax dx, a is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. So it will be 0 to x, 0 to x 1 by 2. 1 by 2 dx. So 1 by 2, your answer here x only, 0 to x. Therefore your answer will be x by 2. Therefore for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, your CDF will be x by, your CDF will be x by. Similarly, for 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, your f of x, that is also you have to find carefully that you have to move up to 2. You have to add also here. You have to add 0 to 1 also here. 0 to 1. For 0 to 1 also you have to add here. 0 to 1 f of x dx plus for 1 after 1 you have to move up to x here. After 1. After 1 you have to move up to x f of x dx. The previous probability value you have to add here. You have to add previous probability value. But in this range you have to move up to x. You have to move up to x here. This is a 1 by 2 only. A 1 by 2. For your answer, you can use the integration as 0 to 1. It will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 dx. A x a x This is only a. Sorry, this is a x here. Sorry, it will be x square by 2. Therefore x square. Box is x square by 4. X square by 4. This is ax, here only a. Therefore ax means x by 2. X by 2 dx plus 1 to x, here only a. Therefore 1 by 2 dx. 1 by 2 dx. Therefore what manner you can get that here? 1 by 2 x square by 2. 1 by 4 x square 0 to 1 plus here 1 by 2 x 1 to x. 1 to x. Therefore, it will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus x minus 1, x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2. This is for 1 to 2. This is for 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. The same manner you can proceed for another 2 ranges. 1 to 2 over. Then similarly, if you want to find 2 to 3 range, you have to add first 2. 0 to 1 f of x dx, 1 to 2 f of x dx plus 2 to x. The 2 to x, you have to use this one. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, say you can apply the limit directly, but here up to x, you have to proceed here. 3a minus x, add. Similarly, for x greater than 3, elsewhere here, x greater than 3, you can get that it will be 0. 0 means how can you proceed here? Up to you have to add this one, integrate this one directly. But 3 to infinity, you have to put 0. 3 to infinity, 0 only. 0 only. Here is also minus 0, minus infinity to 0 also, it will be 0. Minus infinity 0 also, it will be 0. That manner you can get. Okay, all of you understand that ideas here? Yes. Yes, so far we discussed some ideas, related problems in both random variable as well as that finding mean and other things here.